So starting at the door, because there's not much to show around here, because this, as soon as you get into the room, you see you got your bed, nice bed. And because today it's Valentine's Day, look at this small detail. That's really, really nice of them. They kind of do all these little things. It's a nice touch. So you go, side table. You got these plugs that are always handy so you can charge your phone during the night. Nice big mirror. More storage, clothes and stuff. Nice big TV. Got a nice little table here. And a nice balcony. And being cheeky again, I keep putting my cigarette butts in an old can. So I just try cheeky at the same time, but try and be considerate, just not throwing cigarette butts out of the balcony. And this is the view. You got the kiddies pool just there. Yeah. Now, this is a weird one. And the weird one being, so this is your toilet area. That's the toilet right there behind the door. But the funny one is the shower room. Let me show you. Because it's small, but it does the job. You need to bring your own stuff because they provide you just with a little thing from the hotel. So if you come around here, you better bring your own stuff. But the weird thing is, it's the door. It's a glass door, so it's a bit awkward because if you are a couple, yeah, but if you have more family with you, everybody can see you in there having a shower. So, and again, wardrobe space. You got a safe. They don't charge you to use. Last but not least, free drinks. So you got some Jose Cuervo, and you got some vodka and all that stuff. Not really my stuff, but they do leave you with a stocked fridge, which is all free. You got beer, Pepsis, whatnot, some water, which is really nice. Coffee machine that it's American style. I can't work out this stuff, so I always go for coffee in the bar. But yeah, it's kind of a bit of a weird layout, but yeah, it does the job. Really happy. So there you go. Oh, and this is so sweet. Happy Valentine's.